If you ever had a video with high views with little to no sales, it was more than likely because the video didn't include an appealing sales pitch or a catchy call to action. Once you learn how to word your call to action like a pro, you'll be able to actually start generating sales on TikTok as well as other platforms. You don't have to overthink it because in this video, I will share with you the top 15 call to action to get as many viewers as possible to click. The first one is the price anchoring call to action. This strategy displays the original price of a product alongside a discounted price to highlight the value of the deal. This comparison makes the discount seem more significant and attractive to potential buyers. So, let's check out a few examples here. These are 25% off on the TikTok shop, and I don't think Mr. Bezos is giving anything away as low as this. This uses a well-known competitor such as Amazon without directly mentioning the word Amazon to highlight the exceptional value of the current offer, making it more attractive. You can usually get this for $40, but now they are 30% before the sale ends. So take advantage of this now. This one establishes a higher regular price to make the discounted price seem like a significant deal, encouraging immediate purchase. Don't buy it from blank. Click the link below this video and get it for X amount. This CTA directly contrasts the offer with another seller, positioning the current offer as the better choice. By the way, if you want to skip through the video and download all 50 call to action to use right now, please go download it via the link in the description. But I highly recommend sticking to the end and learn the why behind each call to action. The next few are scarcity call to action. These work extremely well for time-sensitive offers and products with limited availability to create a sense of urgency, and it prompts immediate action from the buyers. If your video targets the right people with the right offer, people will click. If you want to blank, this will blank. This one creates urgency by directly addressing a problem and presenting the product as the immediate solution. For the Black Friday sale, they are giving these away for $12 in the next 3 days. So grab it while you can. This one highlights the limited time frame, and people who really want it will get it right away. Only 42 items left in stock. Order now before blank, and we don't know when we will receive another shipment, so get yours now. This one uses limited stock and an uncertain restock date to create urgency and drive immediate purchases. These are back-ordered everywhere for months now, and now they just restocked with limited inventory, so grab it now, link below. This emphasizes the product's high demand and limited availability, making the current offer more desirable. It works well only if the product is truly out of stock literally everywhere. Otherwise, people won't find it urgent to buy. There is a 7-month shortage, and most local stores are limiting to only 1 per customer, so grab it here before it runs out. This uses the notion of a shortage and purchase limits to increase the perceived urgency of buying now. But be sure what you are saying is true before using this one. This offer ends tonight at midnight. This one gives a clear, imminent deadline that pushes potential buyers to act quickly. The next few ones have to do with showing social proof. These work well because people want what others have. You can't convince everyone, but the majority will find it compelling. These are 5-star products with over 24,000 customer reviews. Go check it out. I like this one because it leverages positive reviews and high ratings to build trust and credibility, making the product more appealing. Recommended by top blank like a profession. Get this for your ex, like skincare or something like that. People respect professionals to increase credibility and influence them to buy. Just make sure to mention credible people when using this call to action. Sometimes mention someone controversial can also spike some engagement. They already sold out 3 times last month, so buy it while you still can. This call to action highlights the product's popularity and high demand, creating a sense of urgency and social proof. The next few examples are direct call to action. These are 1-sentence call to action that just tells the viewer what to do. These work well if you have an offer that people are dying to buy without you having to say much. It's available under this video. This is simple and direct, guiding viewers to the exact location where they can make a purchase. You can find it linked below this video. This one sentence directs viewers to the link without saying much, making it easy for the viewers to take the next step. Just click the link below to save X amount. This one is fairly simple, it's clear and concise with the added benefit of a discount to incentivize people to click the link. The last few are extremely useful during holiday seasons and only use it if the deals are active. If you buy it from the link under this video, you'll get it for X. This one goes over exclusive deals available through the provided link, encouraging viewers to use it. The sale won't last, so get it now while you can. This one works well if you target people who are actively looking for savings. Black Friday is a great time to use this urgency call to action. Be sure to claim the first-time TikTok shop coupon using the link below. Provides an additional incentive for new customers, making it a more compelling offer. You don't have to get this now, but do click right here to see if you have any coupons you can use to save 10%. For this one, the low-pressure approach still encourages engagement, and since people hate being sold, this call to action lets the viewers decide what to do. You'll get an extra 5% off if you click the link under this video. This one here mentions additional discounts that viewers can act now to take advantage of the extra savings. Go check out the link right above my name. This is probably the simplest call to action because it's clear and direct on where to click, making it easy for viewers to take action. I tagged it under this video for you. This one adds personal touch and clear instructions on where to find the link. This works well if you have warm traffic to sell the offer. Congratulations, these are call to actions you can use right now in your videos. And if you want more, please check the link to download the entire list of 50 call to actions on our website.